Look what I can do! The letter B makes the B sound, like in the word ball. B, B, ball! Shh! Let's practice our letters quietly. The letter C makes the K sound, like in the word cat. That's a cute cat. Bath time is fun. Do you remember my rubber duck? The letter D makes the D sound, like in the word duck. All dry. The letter F makes the F sound, like in the word frog. These are fabulous frogs. Practicing letters and painting is great. I just painted that one. The letter G makes the G sound, like in the word grapes. Howdy! I'm a cowboy, and I'm practicing the letter H. H makes the H sound, like in the word horse. Yee-haw! We're making the world's tallest jam sandwich. The letter J makes the J sound, like in the word jam. Jam!
Whoa!
Check it out. I'm making a kite for Cody. I'm putting a letter K on it, because the letter K makes the K sound, like in the word kite. Cody's kite. The letter L makes the OL sound, like in the word lion. OL, lion. It's my nap time, but I'll see you soon. The letter M makes the sound, like in the word milk. Milk is the perfect snack for a hungry elephant. Milk. Noodles start with the letter N. Can you hear the N in noodles? Noodles. Pizza starts with the letter P. Can you hear the P in pizza? Pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Rhea is dressed as a queen today. The word queen starts with the Q sound. Queen.
Super duper!
I'm practicing the letter R with my new friend. R makes the R sound, like in the word rat. Ready to practice some more? The letter S makes the S sound, like in the word star. And wow! Look at all the stars in the sky. Let's keep practicing the letter S. The letter T makes the T sound, like in the word truck. And now my truck is totally clean. The letter V makes the V sound, like in the word violin. Let's listen to Sandy play her violin.
That was awesome!
Wow, bath time is fun. Do you remember my whale? The letter W makes the W sound, like in the word whale. The letter Y makes the Y sound, like in the word yo-yo. I need to practice, huh? I love practicing letters and painting. The letter Z makes the Z sound, like in the word zebra.